And Trump will be our president for the next 4 years, no matter who they inaugurate.
Super happy fun America!
President Trump won the election by a landslide, huge landslide, and it was stolen by Biden and the Democrats. And we, the silent majority, are not silent anymore. We are peaceful protesters. We are not sore loser because we didn't lose, we won.
All right, yay!
The owner of the bus company is a Trump supporter, and she kicked butt, and she did not take it. We want to make sure that they see hundreds of thousands of people outside, and hopefully they decide to not accept the electoral votes. So they have the option. They're going to open them and decide whether they're legit or not to accept them.
I'm a closet! You will not take away the titles that God has given me! Never say never, 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 never! USA! 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 USA!
You guys, we want to sing a song?
Star Spangled Banner?
Let's do American, whatever. Let's do it. Oh, say, can you see all the dawn's early light? What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright